My journey with Philodendron Paraiso Verde. Hi, I'm Fergvu, a passionate plant enthusiast, and today I want to share my journey with one of my favorite houseplants, the Philodendron Paraiso Verde. This stunning plant, with its beautiful variegated leaves, has not only brought a touch of nature's artistry into my home but has also taught me a great deal about plant care and propagation. Let me take you through everything you need to know about this captivating plant. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is Philodendron Paraiso Verde? Philodendron Paraiso Verde is a striking variety of philodendron known for its unique foliage. The name Paraiso Verde translates to green paradise, which is fitting given the plant's lush, green leaves adorned with beautiful variegation. Each leaf is a work of art, featuring shades of green and white in an irregular, almost painted pattern. This plant is a climbing variety, which makes it perfect for adding vertical interest to any indoor space. How to care for Philodendron Paraiso Verde? Caring for a Philodendron Paraiso Verde is relatively straightforward if you know what it needs. Here are some essential tips. Light. Philodendron Paraiso Verde thrives in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little light can cause the variegation to fade. I place mine near a north-facing window where it receives plenty of diffused light throughout the day. Watering. Like many tropical plants, Philodendron Paraiso Verde prefers its soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. I water mine once the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to ensure good drainage. Humidity. This plant loves humidity. In my home, I use a humidifier to maintain a humidity level around 60 to 70%, especially during the drier winter months. Alternatively, you can place a pebble tray filled with water under the pot to increase humidity around the plant. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for Philodendron Paraiso Verde. I use a mix of regular potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark to ensure adequate drainage and aeration for the roots. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, I fertilize my Philodendron Paraiso Verde every month with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. This helps support its growth and maintain the vibrant variegation of the leaves. How to propagate Philodendron Paraiso Verde? Propagating Philodendron Paraiso Verde is a rewarding process that allows you to share this beautiful plant with friends or expand your collection. Here's how I do it. Stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem. Select a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes, the points where leaves emerge. Ensure the stem has no signs of disease or pests. Cut below a node, using a clean, sharp knife or scissors, make a cut just below a node. This is where the new roots will emerge. Remove lower leaves. Remove the leaves from the bottom node, leaving the top leaves intact. This helps the cutting focus its energy on root development. Place in water or soil. You can either place the cutting in water or directly into soil. I prefer water propagation because it allows me to monitor root growth. Place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring the nodes are submerged but the leaves are above water. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh. Transfer to soil. Once the roots are about an inch long, transfer the cutting to a pot with a well-draining soil mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light to help the cutting establish itself. What to plant with Philodendron Paraiso Verde? Choosing companion plants for your Philodendron Paraiso Verde can enhance the overall aesthetic and create a harmonious indoor garden. Here are some plants that pair well. Monstera deliciosa. The iconic Monstera deliciosa, with its large, fenestrated leaves, complements the variegated foliage of the Philodendron Paraiso Verde. Both plants have similar care requirements, making them perfect companions. Pot hose. Pot hose varieties, especially the variegated ones like Marble Queen, blend beautifully with Philodendron Paraiso Verde. Their trailing habit adds a cascading effect that enhances the visual appeal of your plant arrangement. Calathea. Calatheas, with their striking patterns and vibrant colors, provide a contrasting yet complementary backdrop to the Philodendron Paraiso Verde. These plants thrive in similar humidity levels, making them excellent partners. Common issues and solutions for Philodendron Paraiso Verde? Even with the best care, you might encounter some issues with your Philodendron Paraiso Verde. Here are common problems and how to address them. Yellowing leaves. Yellowing leaves can be a sign of overwatering or underwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Ensure the pot has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Brown leaf tips. Brown tips are often caused by low humidity or excessive fertilization. Increase humidity around the plant and reduce the frequency of fertilization if necessary. Pests. Philodendron Paraiso Verde can attract pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Regularly inspect your plant and treat any infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Philodendron Paraiso Verde vs. Jose Buono. Paraiso Verde and Jose Buono, two distinct philodendron varieties, share the common feature of elongated, heart-shaped leaves. Yet, their uniqueness lies in the variegation pattern. Paraiso Verde showcases a mottled array of green shades, while Jose Buono displays distinctive white splotches in its variegation. In conclusion, the Philodendron Paraiso Verde is a captivating plant that can bring a touch of tropical beauty to any home. With proper care and propagation techniques, you can enjoy this green paradise and even share it with others. Happy planting!